The topic of this tutorial is keyframes, tweens, and morphing. When cartoons were drawn by hand, a master animator typically created the keyframes, and an apprentice created the tweens. In this software, you create the keyframes, and the tweens are generated automatically. I'll illustrate this by adding a circle to the stage, increasing the size of the movie by a single keyframe. The contents of keyframe 1 have been copied to keyframe 2. The distance between keyframe 1 and keyframe 2 is 10 tweens, and the relationship between tweens and actual seconds involves the movie speed, in this case 20 frames per second. So 20 frames per second, 10 tweens. I can change the units here to seconds, equals 0.55 seconds. In keyframe 2, I'm going to color this circle, and I'm going to translate it using Shift arrow key. I'm going to illustrate the tweens that are generated between those two keyframes. I'm selecting Play Single Step, and I'm advancing in tweens between keyframe 1 and keyframe 2. Playing it in the web browser, it occurs very quickly. The code that accomplishes that is shown here. The tweening is shown in position is shown in this line, and in color is shown in this line. I'm using tweening and morphing interchangeably. Keyframes can be viewed in the timeline and navigated as such. Highlighted shapes are shown with the blue circles. Movie overview, actions and sounds, and list of keyframes. I can navigate, I can change the name, I can reorder, I can cut, copy, paste, I can even save it to a file, just that frame. I can delete, I can reverse frames, and I can assign tweens. That concludes the tutorial on keyframes, tweens, and morphing.